Are you worried that limited mobility might force you into an assisted living facility? Maintaining independence at home can be tough, especially as daily chores become overwhelming, laundry can become hard, cooking too difficult, and even lifting yourself into bed at night. And the average cost for a nursing home can be between $3,000 to $7,000 per month. Well, worry no more. The VELA Independence Chair is specifically designed to enhance mobility and independence for those with physical challenges. The VELA Independence Chair allows you to complete tasks daily around the house without sacrificing your comfort or safety. With smooth rolling smart wheels that can turn 360 degrees, a braking system that locks your wheels in place when you need stability, and an electric lift function that lets you adjust your height effortlessly, all making it easier than ever to get around and giving you more stability whether seated or standing. It's the support you need to keep your agency and independence as you manage the chronic conditions of aging.
The Independence Chair allows me to be as particular as I want, to do my laundry the way I want, to fold my towels the way I want, to load and unload my dishwasher the way I want, put my dishes back. You can't put a price on that.
Don't let the fear of independence weigh you down. Stay in your home longer and live your life to the fullest. Call or go online now to speak to our specialist about getting your very own VELA Independence Chair.